Hello and welcome back to the Draw a Story Club, where this week we'll be drawing Zog, that fantastic character from the book by Julia Donaldson and illustrated by Axel Scheffler. Now, if you like books about dragons, you might want to try 10 Minutes to Bed, Little Dragon by Rhiannon Fielding and Chris Chatterton. Or of course, there's the fantastic How to Train Your Dragon books by Cressida Cowell. So get your pencils ready, get your paper ready, and let's draw Zog. Okay, so we're going to start with Zog's eyes. Okay, let's give him two eyes, slightly apart, about here and here. Now I'm going to draw Zog looking straight at us like this. Now don't forget to pause the video if you need more time. And in between those eyes, we're going to draw Zog's snout coming down. All right, so start about here, bring it down, slightly up again, and then down again like this. And then we're going to give him his smile. So that's slightly up and then round into the smile like that. Okay, and you've got kind of a pointy snout. He's going to have two nostrils on the end there. And he does have his mouth slightly open. So from the corner of the mouth, give him his bottom jaw like this. And just a couple of teeth. He's not a scary character, so just a couple of teeth at the front. Now, inside Zog's mouth is what we call a forked tongue. So that's like one of those tongues that splits at the end like that. A bit like a snake has. Okay? See if you can put that inside, if you feel confident. And I like to just shade a little bit inside there to show that's the inside of his mouth. Now yours might not look exactly like mine. That is fine. I'm sure they're all going to look good when we're finished. Now, Zog is quite a hairy dragon. And he's got quite bushy eyebrows above his eyes. So we do that by putting these zigzag shapes above the eyes. You might want to join them up as well with another zigzag. And then on top of the head, he's actually got a horn, a bit like a unicorn. So that's one horn sticking up like this with some diagonal stripes across. Just going to finish his face is going to come down like this. And then from his bottom lip, we're going to draw some more zigzags. It's got like a beard underneath. Like that. And you might want to kind of join it up with the top of his head like this. At the moment he's missing his ears. So let's put those in. Again, zigzags for the top of the ears. They're quite hairy. And round at the bottom. With a line, just to show that crease in the ears like that. Okay, so there's Zog's face. Brilliant. But we're going to add his arms and his legs and his body. So his arm is going to be down by the side of his, by his side like this. So zigzags to show that it's hairy. And on the end, some quite chunky fingers with some claws on the end. You can have some zigzags inside his arm or his body to show he's hairy all over. Now I'm going to add his belly, a bit of a tubby belly, a bit like this. Round it goes, with some stripes on. Dragons often in drawings have a stripy belly. Fantastic. He's going to be waving at us. Okay, so that's an arm coming up here, made with zigzags, with one of those chunky hands on the end. And some zigzags here, claws on the end. Fantastic. Now, if you've read the story, you'll know Zog is very keen on the medal he earns. So, draw yourself a star. Different ways of drawing stars. This is how I draw mine. On his chest. Try your best there. With part of a triangle underneath with some stripes. There, he's earned his medal. Fantastic. And also a plaster on his arm. That's a rectangle with a square inside. Next, it's Zog's legs. So I'm going to bring his belly around here, and then I'm going to bring his leg down, quite a chunky leg. It's going to have some zigzags on that side. He has one toe that sticks out the back, and his other toes stick out the front like this. A claw, of course, on each one. Add some zigzags, make it hairy. And then repeat that around the other side for his other leg. Brilliant. Lovely knees, just like the Gruffalo. Okay, let's add Zog's wings. It's an excellent flyer. So we go out like this, and then down like this, and then more of a curved zigzag at the bottom. Just take a line there and bring it down. And then just add that shape in to show there's another wing on that side too. Brilliant. Okay, finishing off Zog now with his tail. So give him a nice windy tail. Mine goes behind the old wings there. Maybe with, again, some zigzags just to show that it is quite hairy, like so. Okay. Add in any details that you like to complete your drawing of Zog. Okay, and when you've got this far, of course, you might want to add a little bit of colour. Then share your drawings using the hashtag #DrawAStoryClub, and I'll see you next time.